Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be knowing our KDP dashboard. In this video, we'll be taking a tour on our KDP dashboards. Our KDP dashboards, like I've explained in the glossary of this video, is where everything happens. Uploading of your book, checking of your royalties, your account details, and so on. If you don't have a KDP dashboard, there is no way you can have a KDP business. And as a stellar student, I don't want you to get confused in the KDP publishing world. That's why I made this video to help you get familiar with the KDP dashboard. So when I say something in the video, you don't have to get lost like where is that located, what should I do, so on and so forth. So without wasting much time, on the designated browser you have chosen to host your KDP account, just type kdp.amazon.com, kdp.amazon.com, and once you've done that, click on search. Once you click on search, a page is going to open looking like this. For now, we don't know that in the future KDP is going to change the outlook, but for now this is how it looks like. So just click on sign in. Since you've created your KDP account like I showed previously in this course, once you click on sign in, I'm going to bring you to this page. You're going to log in with your details. So just put your email address and your password, your email address used in creating your account and the password you used in creating your account. Once you've done that, the next step is to enter the OTP that was sent to your authenticator app, either using Google Authenticator, OT, or 2FA. Whatever authenticator you are using as recommended by this course, just open it and you'll see the OTP you saved being there. Then just copy the OTP and paste it. You can choose this browser not to require OTP whenever you want to log into your KDP account by ticking the box here. Whatever the case, you can just, even though they require OTP, I told you before, just go to that app, copy OTP and paste it without having any issues. And once that's done, you sign in and voila, this is how your KDP dashboard should look like at this moment. We don't know if in the future Amazon is going to change it. Back then it was not like this. Amazon changed it and it's looking like this now. We don't know how it's going to look like in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years from now. But for now, this is how it looks like. So when you open your KDP dashboard, you're expected to see some things. If you haven't created a book before, down here you're not going to see any of this. You're just going to see, once your titles have been published, you will see them here. So for that, you just have to come to create your books. But let's say you have created 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, and so on. Now this is where all your book is going to be listed. It's called a bookshelf. The bookshelf, you can see it here, you can see it here. It's called a bookshelf. Now this is where all the books you have published are shown. They are like it's like a library, a cupboard, a wardrobe where your books are kept for you to see them easily and easily access them. So what are the things you should get familiar with when looking at your bookshelf? Now the blue box here, I'm using it to cover this account I just created. It has only 1 book, only just 1 book in it. So this blue box here is the cover of the book, the cover of your book, whatever cover you choose designed for your book. This way is going to appear. Then the green box here is the title of your book, the title of your book. Then the red box is the title of the author you used in your book, be it a pen name or your real name. Whatever you gave Amazon as the author of that book is what Amazon is going to put here. That's how you see by, then the name you gave Amazon. You can see me covering details of my book. Please be careful how you except you an author and you want to share your book to audience to buy your book, or you're doing promotion. That's when I will. But be careful how you expose your book details out there. There are many competitors that don't know how to do good things, and they can go ahead as reporting your books to Amazon, just make Amazon pull your books down, and then for them to get better sales than you. So please be stingy with your book information, except in case where it's required. But for now, I don't have to show you. That's why I'm hiding mine, and I hope you take that same steps when doing your business. So now here we have the ASIN. You can see I also covered it, because with the ASIN number, anybody can track your book on Amazon. Remember, I told you before in the glossary, ASIN is a standard identification number Amazon uses to track books in their community, in their website. So it's also something of privacy. So this is the ASIN number, and for every of your book, the ASIN number is different. Every of your book, the ASIN number is different. Then here we have the price you chose to sell that book. The price you chose to sell that book. So here you can see I have the Kindle ebook version. I'm selling it for $6.79. We have the paperback version. I'm selling it for $12.99. We have the hardcover version. I'm selling it for $19.99. Do not worry yourself. I'll be teaching you how you can create all of this kind of formats for your books and publish on Amazon. So this is just the price of your books, the price you chose to sell your books. Then when you see the view on Amazon, you can click it and then choose the marketplace where you want to view your book on. That's how your book appears to shoppers there on Amazon. When shoppers want to buy your book, they're not going to see your dashboard like this. No, there is a website where your book is going to be posted with information the buyer needs to get before buying your book and where they can make their purchases. So to see that, you can use this view on Amazon button. Then here we have the live. You can see here live. What does this mean? This means that all of these versions of this book are live on Amazon now. You can go and search them now and I will see them and people can buy them live on Amazon. That's what this part of the dashboard means. Now, in case you don't see live for yours, let's say you published your Facebook and after waiting you don't see live, it's likely that you might see any of those 5 things. It's very, very likely that you might see any of those 5 things, except Amazon comes up with newer ones, which I will try my best to communicate to you. Now, in review, when you see in review here instead of live, that means your book is in review as it states. It happens when you immediately publish your book. You click on the publish button, your book is going to be in review. You have to wait for Amazon to review your book if it meets their standard of quality and everything before they let your book go live on Amazon. So if you see in review, do not panic. Do not panic. Your book is just undergoing review by Amazon. Next is publishing. When you see publishing, that means your book has passed the review stage and it's in the process of publishing. They are uploading it to their systems to get it ready for publishing. So once you see publishing, you can start celebrating that your book is about to go live. And when you see live, like I said before, it means your book has been published on Amazon successfully and buyers can now search and buy your book. Now, peradventure, you don't see none of these 3 things. You see draft. Now, what does draft mean? There are some times when after your book has gotten to Amazon and Amazon has done all their review, they find something they don't want or they want you to change or work upon. So they move your book back to draft for you to be able to edit it and then what's it called? After editing your book, be able to republish the book for them to review again and then publish it live. So when you see drafts, just check your mailbox, the mail you use in creating your KDP account. Amazon likely sent you a mail telling you that so and so we want it to be like this, or remove this and that, or provide this and that. Just read the mail and you will see what they want you to do there. If it's your cover, they want you to adjust well, everything they want you to do will be clearly stated in the mail. So just do that and then you submit your book back for review. Now when you see blocked, this happens rarely, but it happens. When you see blocked, Amazon is blocking that book. They don't want to sell that book on their platform. You can't edit it. Once your book is blocked, you can't even edit the book. The book has been blocked from being sold on their platform. This happens to copyrighted books, trademark words, and many other kind of books that they don't accept, or you are not following the guidelines they stated out for publishing those kind of books. They're going to put your book on blocked and you can't edit or republish those kinds of books. Well, if you follow the stellar process, which I'll be teaching in this course, you are rarely going to have blocked books. Where I can't say you won't have, but if you follow what I've stated in this course, your books are going to be going live and you have less issues with Amazon. And if peradventure you have any issues, there's a resource material in this course for you to tackle each of those issues. And also there's a community I created. It's over thousands of people there. You can ask questions there and our admins will help you answer those questions. So let's move on in this video. Now the next thing you have to know is if you want to edit your book, whether it's live or in draft. Now you should come to the book. This is the book. Let's say the Kindle version. This at the edge, you see these 3 dots. When you click on these 3 dots, it's going to bring out options like this. These options, whether I click it here or here or here. That's for the paperback, hardcover, Kindle versions. It's going to bring out this option. So you just select edit ebook details. Is it the details you want to change? Maybe the title of the book, the subtitle, the keywords, the description, or is it the content? That's the manuscript of the book, the manuscript and the cover, or is it the price of the book? Whatever you want to do, you just click here. Now for paperback, you cannot edit title. Once you publish the paperback, there are things you cannot edit: title, author name, and so many other things because it's printed version. But for Kindle ebook, you can edit almost everything once you've published your book. So whenever you want to edit your book, this is where you come to. Now, next is creating a book. You have created your book in your phone or your laptop. You have created your book, designed your cover, gotten your keywords, your description, author name, and everything. Where should you publish your book? Just come to your KDP Dashboard and click on create. Click on the create button. You see there boldly written create. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page where it shows you the different kind of things you can create. Is it a Kindle ebook? That's the ebook version that can be read on mobile devices, laptops, and so on. You have the paperback version. That's the printed version with soft cover. The printed version with soft cover. Is that what you publish at the moment? Or hardcover? That's the printed version with a hardcover. Is that what you want to publish at this moment? So just click on create hardcover, create paperback, create ebook. Now we have a series page. Sorry, the page isn't shown completely here, but you have create series. Now let's say you're making a series of books. You're making a series of different kind of books, and you want to put them under one category. I will explain series in this course. You're going to learn how to create series for a book. It's very, very good. It's very, very good. So this site can also create series page if you want to create series page after publishing your book. So whatever book you want to create in the course, I'm going to show you how you can create all of these books. So don't be in a panic. Next, you have to go to the report section from your dashboard. The report section, you can see it highlighted up here. Now, when you go to the report section, that's where you see everything about the sales you are making, the orders you're getting, the number of reads you are getting on your book, everything about reports, payments, and so on and so forth. I can see here, this is from the one book I published, the one book you saw previously there. This is what the book has gotten me as at this time of the month. It's $6 in royalties, 19 orders, and 995 pages read. So this is the royalties book has gotten for me for this month. If I want to see the one of yesterday, I will just click on yesterday, and to show me the royalties, all my books. I only have one book in this account, but if you have like 10 books, to show you the royalties, all your 10 books are giving you. It can be that just 2 are selling out of the 10, or 3, or 4, or 5, or all 10 are selling. So click on yesterday, you're going to see all the royalties you made yesterday. If you want to see what you are making today, or what you have made, click on today, and you are going to see all of that. Now, if you want to see your royalties estimator, now when you click on view royalties estimator, it takes you to a separate page where you can see your lifetime royalties, what you have made all time, what you have made last month, and so on and so forth, all about your royalties. You can do different settings to see royalties made by one book, by 2 books, by all your books. You can set whatever thing you want, but it's not really a big deal. So you can just click on view royalty estimator. Now, if you want to view your orders, you can also click on view orders, and you see your orders for last month, this month. You can set it to any settings you want, and you see all your orders. Now you have your KEM periods. I explained this in the glossary. This talks about the amount of your book that you are being paid for when people read them. People that use Kindle Unlimited subscription, when they read your pages of your book, the ebook version, you get paid per page. So they have read, somebody have read, or some people have read 995 pages of my book as at the time of this month doing this video. So depending on when you are watching it, it was not the month you watched it that this happened to. Might be that when you are watching this video, it can be a year after, it can be 9 months after, it can be a month, 3 weeks after I made this video, and the sales would have increased astronomically. So that's it. At the side, you can also see some links. We have the orders link. This order link is the same as this here. The KM period is the same as this here. Then you have the month to date to see what you have made in, let's say, instead of checking what you have made in January, you can check what you have made in January till today. Let's say you are in January 25th. So instead of checking January 1st to 31st, I'm going to check January 1st to 25th. It gives you the month to date report. I have the promotions. Promotions. You want to promote your book. Then I have the pre-orders. Is there any of your book is set for pre-order? You can also see the report of all of that. So after that is said, the next is the marketing section of your dashboard. Now, what does this part entail? What does this part entail? Now, Amazon has a lot of things. Okay, let's click there. Once you click there, it takes you to a page like this. Amazon has a lot of tools you can use to promote your book to their audience, and get better sales. Now, we have the KDP Select. I explained all of this under glossary. The KDP Select is the reading program that pays you per pages read of your ebook. So if you want to enroll your book, let's say after publishing your book, you feel like, okay, I want to enroll my book for KDP Select, you can come here and click on enroll an ebook. Then from there, you select the ebook you want to be enrolled, and then wait for them to give you the message that has been enrolled for KDP Select. But while publishing your book, I'll show you why publishing your book. You can also just select KDP Select from that place without having to come back to do it here. I have the Amazon ads. Amazon ads. Now, ads are things that give your book visibility, more audience reach, and they can increase your sales. So the Amazon ads, they can just come here, choose a marketplace, and then you can start running ads in that marketplace. I have the Author Central. Author Central is like your profile on Amazon. You can choose to create a profile for your pen name. Let's say my name is Abraham and I create books under the pen name of John. You can create a profile for John with all my books on Amazon. Now people can follow me. Buyers can follow me on my Author Central, and anytime I publish a new book, they're going to get a notification that I've published a new book on my Author Central, and they can just go there and purchase the new book. So this helps you build a brand, build a following on Amazon, and then you can sell more books to them. And we have the A plus content. A plus content. Now these are images, text you can use to further brand the outlook of your book. What do I mean? Now when you go to Amazon, you see, so I will show you all of this in this course. You see some books that have on their description page, you see pictures, quotes, different kind of things that want to entice the buyer to click on the buy button. So A plus content is also what you use in doing that, and I will show you how you can use all of that in this course. So when I say go and create A plus content, just come to your dashboard, go to marketing, click on A plus content. If you want to run adverts, come to your dashboard, click on marketing, go to Amazon ads. If you want to go to your Author Central page, come to marketing, click on Author Central and choose the marketplace you want to see. So that's that for the marketing section of the video of this video. Now next, move to the contact us. Now let's say you have an issue you want to contact Amazon on. Let's say you get to the community of the student and you ask, and the admins tell you, please contact Amazon. You don't have to start looking for Amazon's email address. Just go to your dashboard, scroll down, and you see this contact us button. Once you click on the contact us link, you're going to be brought to a page that has all of this array of different subtopics depending on the issue you are facing. So if the issue about let's say format requirement and book status, maybe your book has not gone live, you published your book and over 2 weeks, 3 weeks, your book has still been on review, you can just come here on book status, click on that, and it takes you to the different options. You select the one that best fits your problem, and you send a mail to them or call them or start a live chat to them depending on the option available at that moment. So all of this, depending on your problem, if you had a payment that you didn't receive at the actual date of receiving payment, you can come to this payment and sales reports, click on that, and then you provide them the details of that payment, and then they will look if they have paid you or if they haven't paid you, and everything will be sorted out. So any issue you have, there is a category here that best fits your issue, which can communicate with them. For instance, and if you click on, for instance, if you click Amazon Store and Detail Products page, Amazon Store and Product Detail page, it's going to show you a subcategory like this. This thing you see at the right side of your screen is the same. They're under this topic. So if let's say you have a problem with your Amazon Store, that's your detail page on Amazon, what people see, you can come here. You want to link your print and Kindle editions, you want to look inside the book. Let's say publish a book and you didn't see the look inside, you can come here and send them a mail that you didn't see look inside. They'll tell you if there's a reason why they didn't put it, they'll let you know, or if it's in review, they'll let you know when it will be available. So all of this, they have problems. Author Central, your Author Central page, like I explained previously in the video, you can come here. Customer reviews, you can come here and all of that. And once you click any of the options, depending on the options, you can see any of these. Send us an email, call us, start a live chat, and depending on your location, these options change per time. Sometimes you won't see live chat, they'll tell you check back on Tuesday by 3 p.m. or whatever day. Sometimes you won't see phone, they'll tell you you can't call them from your location. So most times the ones I use are email address. I just click on it and the dialog box opens, type in your email and click on send, and Amazon will reply you very soon. And finally, in this video, your accounts. Well, they have seen this when you are creating your KDP accounts. When you click on your accounts, it shows you the detail of your account, your bank accounts, your tax information, and all of that. So this way, you just click to do all of that. And if you want to sign out, click on sign out, and you have to log in again to access your KDP account. So that's that for this video. I hope to see you in the next video on your pathway to becoming a stellar student. Thank you.